Hello guys, welcome back to TechNetics YouTube channel. In this video, we will understand a second property of object-oriented programming, that is polymorphism. Before that, we have already made a video on encapsulation, that is the first property of object-oriented programming, and a lot of other things on Java. So please do hit the subscribe button and do like and share our videos. And if you have any kind of doubt till now, then please do comment it out so we can try to resolve the same. Okay. So let's understand polymorphism. Poly means many and morphism means forms. Okay. So we can understand from these two keywords this there are lot of things that has different versions. Okay. So polymorphism there are two things that we need to learn. First one is function overloading, second is method overriding. Okay. In this video we will see only function overloading. Okay. So what exactly is function overloading? Okay, so let's understand. Suppose we have created one method add, okay, or let's say multiply. Okay, we are taking one example multiply. Okay, in which we are so in this method we can only pass two or three things, a or b. We can pass only two parameters. Okay, we can pass only two parameters, but there is a requirement in our program that we need to multiply four or five parameters in one time, in one go. So what we will do, we can create same things, okay, from different multi a comma b comma c comma d. Okay, this is how we can create one more method or one more function. So what is the need of function overloading? So what is happening at this time? These two methods are doing same thing. Okay, in body we are just returning the a into b or a into b into c into d. We are just doing that same thing, but the names are different. So function overloading comes here exactly if the basically we are using function overloading for the same purpose. If two methods are doing same thing and we wanted to keep the function name same. Okay, so if a class has multiple methods, suppose this class overload has multiple methods, various method with the same name, with the same, let's say, same same name, but having different in parameter. Okay, having different parameter. This method has two parameters and this method has four parameter. So that is exactly function overloading or method overloading. Okay, function overloading, not we should say method overloading here. Okay, so if we have to perform only one operation but having same name of method, we are performing simply multiply, but due to number of parameter we are overloading this function with two of four parameters. So that is function overloading. So let's create and understand in the practical way. Okay, so let's see. We need to create public static void in, okay, string and args. So here what can we do? We can create one method public void, let's say public int. Okay, add int a comma int b, int b, and return a plus b. But there is a requirement in our program that we need to have at least four add values. Okay, we wanted to add four values, so we will keep the name same, add, but we will change the parameters in c or int d. This is what can we do, and we are simply see, this is what we are returning. So how can we access this? So this is basically overloading. Function method name is same. Okay, class method name is same, add. but they are having different parameter, different number of parameter. Okay, so what we will do, we will simply create one class or object. This is how obj, let's say, new keyword, and then again this is how we can create this obj1 dot. Okay, obj1, obj1, obj dot. Okay, add. Now it is expecting overloading any function. Okay, so we have chosen for one. Okay, the method which will have four arguments. So we are passing here, let's say 24, 23, 55, 34, and 66. So this is what we are passing. Let's say I wanted to print this thing, system out, system dot out dot println. Okay, so this is, if I'm going to run this thing, then we will get output of sum of these four parameters that we have passed. The sum of these four arguments that we have passed, the output of these four, returning a plus b plus ct. So 23 plus 55 plus 34 plus 66. In the same way, we can use different one. We can use same method but different argument. That means function overloading. Okay, if I run, the output will be different. For the second one, 67. So that is what is function method overloading in oops in Java programming language. So if you have any kind of doubt, then please do let us know. And thank you for watching this video. If you are liking our videos, then please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.